Tools HQ, proudly Canadian, globally trusted. Headquartered in Burlington, Ontario, Tools HQ is a globally recognized manufacturer specializing in premium wires, cables, and wire harness systems. Our product line begins with the 7-way trailer harness, with pre-assembled weatherproof junction box and ready-to-connect 7-way plug with double brass connection, ideally suited for enclosed trailers equipped with multiple axles and advanced features. Next, our 4-way wiring harness offers enhanced trailer connectivity with a premium flat 4-way trailer light wiring harness extension, ensuring reliable signal transmission and ease of installation. The 14-gauge 7-way conductor cable, presented on a sturdy reel with high-quality, color-coded wires, guarantees comprehensive towing safety and performance. For OEMs and trailer manufacturers, our Parallel Bonded Conductor Cable delivers consistent quality and efficiency, tailored for production-scale applications. Our 14-gauge 2-conductor brake light cable stands out as a durable solution for automotive needs, featuring robust insulation and reliable conductivity. We also offer GPT Primary Wires in 16, 14, and 12 gauges, ideal for automotive environments with limited space and elevated temperatures. Finally, our 7-way ABS cable is designed for semi-trailers, providing enduring performance against wear, abrasion, and extreme weather conditions, ensuring uninterrupted connectivity on every journey.